My cat was tortured because of this flag. So I had a meeting, supposedly a meeting with some flag people, and they were supposed to meet up, and there they are in Bashers, probably full of FBI. I know they're full of FBI, and trying to talk to these two spoiled little bitches, who are probably one of flag people, for whatever reason. And I couldn't get to them, but when I finally did get to talk to them, I was brushed away. They wouldn't talk to me. They wouldn't. They're very cruelly. They got off their little stools, went over to Nails, where my cat was being held, and cut off whatever. I do not know why they did that, but anyway, my flag people, if this video is going to hurt your feelings, then please turn it off and go and cry to mummy or something. I don't care. I really do not care. Anyway, so what I'm going to show you are some examples of how the American flag, saved lives. And please pay attention. Please take your emotions away from when you watch this video. Watch this video in the eyes of this lady, the person who made the American flag. Please remember, she was watching everyone in her town, probably all the men, go off to war, and she was probably more concerned about making stencils and bandages than a flag. And if she could get away with it, she would make stencils and bandages. And I'm now going to show you some images from battlefield Civil War flags, where you can see they've been where they used the stars as a stencil and the stripes as bandages. Anyway, sorry, I was choking up. I'm getting so angry at the thought of how Chessie had whatever cut off, burned because of this flag. Okay, so what they would do, I think, is they would get the stars and they would put it over the wound, and then they put it over the stripes, and they can see how much material they would need to take out. Yeah, you see this flag people? You see these cuts? Does this look natural to you? What about the stars? They took that out as a stencil and put it over the bandage. What about this one? Again, no stars, and you can see where they cut the flag itself. Yeah, my cat lost whatever they did to my cat for this. You know what? I want a sorry. I want a sorry off you flag people for this. Because what you guys did was just disgraceful. Okay, here's another one. As you can see, the stars have a tear in it. But look at those cuts. Just look at those cuts. That looks like a surgeon or a doctor or whatever has been cutting this flag and trying to preserve as much as the flag as possible, but also using it to save lives in the Civil War. Okay, so this is another flag with the stars missing, and I would love flag people to explain this. Explain it, please. You guys cut off my cat's leg. You guys caused my cat an incredible amount of pain, or whatever you did to my cat, for this. For this. So please do bloody explain. Please do fricking explain it. Go on. I want to hear your stupid low IQ explanation on this. Go on. Let's hear it. But you guys did an insane amounts of cruelty to an animal, an innocent animal who doesn't even know what a flag is, who couldn't care less what the flag is, for that. You bastards. Every single one of you. The flag. Fuck off. What about this one? What about this one? The flag, people. What about this one? Can you explain this? Explain it. You wouldn't even look. You wouldn't even fucking look. This looks like my cat. I don't know why it's not fitting on frame, but whatever. You guys aren't even worthy to look at something. What did Chessie do to you? What exactly did Chessie do to you? You bunch of cowardly bastards! Is that all you're good for? Oh, you're so snot-nosed, pig-nosed, with your nose stuck up in the air about the flag, that the slightest little thing hit your feelings, so you cut off my cat's tail. You cut off my cat's tail! You fucking snobby nose bitch! What, because it wasn't your idea, or you were offended? Which one was it? God, I hate bitches like you. You're so snobby. Nothing can be ever, what was it? Because I was homeless at the time? Was that it? It couldn't be my idea. It had to be your idea. Oh, fuck off. Or it just offended you, so you cut off my cat's tail. You fucking people. The flag. The flag. Let me just think. The slightest little thing about the flag. I will hunt you down and I will chop your pet's tail off. They're out of spite. Without even looking at the evidence. Without even looking at the evidence, you stupid, stuck-up cow! Who does that? Who does that? Goes and chops off a cat's tail because of your feelings. What sort of psychopath are you to do that? There's two of you, you see. Both little bitches. Two little snot-nosed little freaking bitches. Why? I want to know why you fucking did that. How you could be just so stupid on doing that without even looking at the evidence, not even attempting. Was it your stupid low IQ FBI friends? Is it that, or is it because you are FBI? Low IQ FBI. Can't work out a single fucking thing. Jen.